In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save in Google Docs. Now, saving in Google Docs might seem straightforward, but understanding the nuances can ensure you're never caught off guard, especially when dealing with internet disconnections or needing offline access. To start, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another browser, this process is quite similar. Just go to the search bar at the top and type in Google Docs. It's a good practice to bookmark the Google Docs site if you find yourself using it frequently. Once you've searched for Google Docs, you'll see a link at the top of your search results. Click on this link and it will take you straight to the Google Docs homepage. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. Enter your email and password to access your documents. It's essential to ensure you're using the correct account, especially if you have multiple Google accounts, as your documents and changes will be tied to the account you log in with. One of the great features of Google Docs is its automatic saving capability. When you're connected to the internet, Google Docs saves every change you make nearly instantly. This means that as you type, Google Docs is updating your document in real time, sending those changes straight to your Google Drive. You'll notice a small message near the top saying, "All changes saved in Drive," which is reassuring as it means your work is safe. Now, there are times when you may need to work offline, where the internet isn't available. Google Docs makes this possible too. To enable offline access, navigate to the main menu within the Google Docs app. Usually, this is located in the upper left-hand corner as three horizontal lines or in a settings icon. Within these settings, you should find an option labeled Offline. By toggling this feature on, you instruct Google Docs to make your files accessible even without an internet connection. After you've enabled offline access, any document you work on while disconnected from the internet saves directly to your device. Then, as soon as you reconnect, Google Docs automatically syncs these offline changes, updating your Google Drive to reflect the latest version of your document. This syncing ensures you maintain continuity whether you're online or offline, sparing you from having to remember what changes were made offline. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on saving within Google Docs. Understanding both online and offline saving tools in Google Docs can help ensure your documents are always secure and accessible, providing peace of mind and flexibility in a variety of working conditions. So whether you're typing a quick note or drafting a detailed report, you can trust Google Docs to handle your document saving needs effortlessly.